Buying and selling a home can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. At those Callaways, your agent will listen to your needs, wants, hopes, and dreams, and then guide you, advise you, and prepare you. They will get you in to see as many homes as possible in the least amount of time and on your schedule. If your time is limited, your agent will even preview homes for you. Those Callaways have an amazing home for you today. This house is the king of the hill, sitting on the highest elevation in the preserve at Shadow Mountain. Imagine the sunrise and sunsets you get with the 180-degree views. Plus, it's located in a quiet cul-de-sac. Nearby hiking and biking trails are right outside your door. When you walk in the front door, you'll find expansive formal living spaces with soaring 11-foot ceilings and a chef's granite island kitchen within the luxurious interior. The master suite and work-at-home professional's office sit on the main level, while the generous downstairs is right for the multi-generational living. All of these bedrooms are en suite. There are 6 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms with almost 5,900 square feet of living space. You can host spectacular dinners on the covered and open flagstone patios, and you can lounge in the pebble-finish pool by day and spa by night, gazing at twinkling city lights. It has tons of high-end finishes with a stacked stone fireplace, granite counters, stainless appliances, wired for surround sound, travertine floors, a built-in barbecue, and many more. Priced at $1,399,000, this house is a great deal. Go tour this home today and make sure to contact those Callaways to check out other houses which you can turn into your home.